In this video, I will show you how to log out from Exodus Wallet on desktop. So in order to log out from there, what you can do is you can just head over right here, and as you can see, we have the portfolio, the swap, the wallet, buy and sell, and the likes. However, if you want to actually log out, you can see that in here onto our actual option into our settings, we only have in here the settings for some assets, and we also have in here security option. So on security, we only have auto lock. This means that our actual access to this account is bound to our actual devices. So what we can do instead is we can head over in here to our search bar and search in here for Exodus. Now what we can do is we can just uninstall this particular application. So head over and click on the uninstall button right there. And then once you have done that, it should be able to show up in here all of your installed apps. So in order to log out from there, you can just uninstall the application itself. So head over and then look in here for Exodus. Then click onto this right click option that you should be able to see right here. Click on this, click onto this uninstall option, and click onto this uninstall right here in order to facilitate the uninstallation of this particular app.